Luganda versus Shona. How similar are they? So the word woman in Luganda is mukazi, mukazi. And in Shona, it's mukadzi, mukadzi. The word elephant in Luganda is njovu, njovu. And in Shona, it's nzowu, nzowu. The word grandchild in Luganda is muzukulu, muzukulu. And in Shona, it's muzukuru, muzukuru. The word child in Luganda is mwana, mwana. And the word child in Shona is mwana, mwana. The word to eat in Luganda is kulya,